Hey guys, Funk Roberts from FunkRobertsFitness.com, FunkMMA.com, and today I'm excited to bring you my Metabolic Chaos workout. Now, my Metabolic Chaos workouts are high intensity circuits that'll help you burn fat, build muscle, and get into amazing shape. Now, with these workouts, you're doing each exercise for 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds rest. Now, during those 40 seconds, I wanna make sure that you're doing as many reps as possible because you only put in what you get out. In order to burn fat, in order to burn calories during and after this workout, you gotta put in the work. So 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds rest. You rest 1 minute and then repeat for four full rounds. It's only 30 minutes, but that's all you need. Short, high intensity workouts to get results. Anyways, I'm done talking. Let me show you how to get this workout done so you can get it done.
First exercise are kettlebell goblet squats to overhead press. You can use dumbbells as well, but this is again a full body exercise. We go into a squat holding the kettlebell in front and then press straight up above your head using those shoulders. Again, with this exercise, you want to keep that core tight. You want to go down into a squat as low as you can. And as you come out of that squat, that's when you're pressing straight overhead. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down, and move as fast as you can. Our next exercise are Divebombers. Love this one. Again, it's a very great exercise, full body exercise. As you can see, upper body is being used, shoulders are being used, triceps, and your arms. Keep that core tight. Now with this one, you're pretending that you're diving underneath a fence and then you're pulling yourself back up. So you have to use that upper body to push yourself back up. Exhaling on the way up, inhaling on the way down. Again, keep that core tight. Our next exercise, we get a little bit metabolic with our kick-ups. So again, I like this one because we're engaging the shoulders for stability, triceps will be engaged, your core is going to be engaged, and then it's dynamic. So as we see, I'm kicking, I'm moving my hips, I'm breathing, and what I like to do here is I like to pretend that there's someone in front of me while I'm kicking because that really intensifies the movement. But again, move as fast as you can, keep breathing, and kick as hard as you can. Next exercise, reverse lunge and knee raise or reverse lunge and knee strike with the dumbbells. So here we're going to reverse lunge with the lower body, but as we raise the knee, we have to ensure that we're balanced and stable. And in order to do that, you have to engage that core. You want to move as fast as you can, but you also want to have control of the body. So as you move back, make sure the core is tight, bring that knee up as high as you can, and then reset. Keep that body tall throughout the movement. Next exercise are alternating dumbbell rows. So here we're engaging the back, the core. Key, it's very important that you keep that back straight and row up around those hips. So you're engaging the lats doing the movement. Moving and alternating one after the other. Try to let the dumbbells go to the ground, as far down to the ground, but pull up using the back. Next exercise is what I call my tri-ab in and outs. So here we're hitting the obliques, we're hitting the rectus abdominis, we're hitting the entire ab and core region. So you do a in and out to the front, to the right, to the front, and to the left. So that's basically what you're doing. You're going side to side. And again, exhaling on the way up, inhaling on the way out, bringing those knees as far to the chest as possible.
So there you have it, guys. Metabolic Chaos workout. 30 minutes is all you need. High intensity circuit to help you burn fat, build muscle. Get that into your workout regime at least once or twice a week. Listen, guys, please like this, share this, leave your comments below. Let me know what you thought about that workout. And if you like that workout and want 19 more workout programs, click the link here so you can download my Metabolic Madness bundle, which is high intensity circuits, metabolic circuits, and MedCon programs to help you get in awesome shape. And also, if you like that workout, click that link there and see another workout. I'm Funk Roberts. Now it's your turn to get it done.